welcome back to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Do like and share. Today we will discuss half adder. So adder is nothing but it's addition. Okay. So an adder is a digital logic circuit in electronics that implements addition of numbers. We built for many numerical representations like XS3 or binary coded decimals, and it has two types, that is half adder and full adders. Means when you are taking half adder it has A and B, but when you are taking full adder it has A, B and C also. Okay. So when you are taking the half adder, two inputs will be added and output will be generated as a sum and carry. So we have two output, that is in the form of sum and carries. It is also called additions or it is also called addend. So XOR represents as a sum and get is represents as a carry. Means here we are taking two outputs, that is sum and carry. When you are adding the two digits A plus B, you will get sum as well as carry. To get the sum we are XOR get, to get the carry we are taking AND get. Okay. So if you need AND or get's logic diagram, then you check the videos, it will be available. Okay. In half adder it represents A and it represents inputs, that is A and B inputs, and we will get two outputs in the form of sum and carry. So this represents sum and this represents carry. We have two inputs, that is A and B inputs, and we have two outputs, that is sum and carry outputs. If you are adding two inputs, that is then we will get two outputs acting as a sum and acting as a carry. Means if you are adding 0 plus 0, then your sum is 0 and your carry is also 0. Means there is a 0 plus 0 is 0 only. We do not have any carry. Okay. So 0 plus 1 means you will get sum as a 1. Means 0 plus 1 you will get sum as a 1 and carry is 0. 1 means if you are adding 10 plus 10 you will get 20. But here your sum as 0 and 2 as a carry, like that. Okay. 1 plus 0 is 1 and carry is 0. Okay. 1 plus 1 is 1 0. 1 0 means you will get 0 as a sum and carry as a 1, means 20. Then you will write 0 as a sum and 2 as a carry. Okay. Next, this represents XOR get and this represents an AND get. Okay. When you are taking XOR get, this represent A, this represent B, means you are giving two inputs, and this represent sum and this represent carry. Okay. So we have two inputs and two outputs. Means you are adding, if let's take, we have two inputs as A and B. Okay. So you are giving 0 0, means 0 plus 0 0. Here A is 0, B is 0. Your sum is what? Your sum is 0 and carry is also 0. So in first initial condition your output is not getting on. Here A is 0 and B is 1. Means 0 plus 1 what? 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Means sum is 1 and carry is 0. 1 is nothing but enabling, means your output is glowing. So when you are making this switch as NO as a NC, it is in initial condition 0 default condition. Your 1 is nothing but you are giving the input and you are getting the output as a high. 1 implies in output, 1 implies is enabling. Okay. In input 1 implies you have to on the load. Okay. So next condition 1 0 means 1 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Here you are giving 1. Okay. Your A is 1. This is 0. You are not touching the circuit. Means you are making the force. You are applying the force to get it on, and your sum is 1. Okay. In second condition carry is 0. But 1 plus 1. But 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0. Okay. So 0 represents sum and 1 represents carry. Means if you are giving 1 1 to carry, this NO become NC and this NO become NC, your load is getting on. Okay. But here you are giving any one, means if you are taking this is 1 and this is 1, what happened? This will NO become NC, but this NC become NO. So there is no supply, it becomes 0. Okay. So let's see guys, in automation these all the half adder, full adders, whatever the multiplexer, demultiplexer is there, we are taking as a combinational circuit. Means we have number of inputs and we are going to control number of outputs. Okay, so you have number of input as a and B according to the situation. Means if you are adding, we are talking about adder, so if you are adding that particular inputs, then what is the sum and what is the carry? If you are adding 0 plus 0, what happened? It is the 0, means your condition is 0 only. If you are adding 0 plus 1, means this implies 0, this implies 1, means you are load, you are making the circuit, you are making the switch to get on, and your sum is 1, means 0 plus 1 is 1, so you will get the sum, means one output is glowing. When you are pressing 1 0, 1 is this one, means open circuit, and 0 is your NC connected. Why we are connected NC? Means we are not making the circuit, we are not applying the force to get on. Okay, that's why 0 indicates it's a default condition. So we are connected one in NO and one in NC. So when you are giving 1 and 0, then your circuit getting 1. When you are applying 1 1, 1 plus 1 is nothing but 1 0, means this implies sum and this is carry. So when you are giving 1 1, carry will be on and sum will be off. Sum is off. Okay guys, hope you understand. If you like the video, please do the comment. Thank you.